anybody can journal. And I say, keep it simple. If you're doing it on your own, don't overthink it. Whatever you do is great. Start small. Use the mindset of, this is an opportunity for me to reap the benefits of journaling. This is an opportunity for me to clarify my thoughts, to be more self-aware, to learn some patterns about myself. And if you do that, just my thought to someone journaling on their own would be, try it for 10 days, look back at your journal and see if there are any patterns or trends that you can identify. There are different, frameworks for journaling. In the morning, it's to set the pace for your day. It's to journal about what strengths you might bring into the day, how you might approach a problem that's coming up. At the end of the day, it's kind of a debrief, right? So at the end of the day, you're kind of saying what went well, what you might revise, how you might approach something differently. So I don't think there's one answer. I think that, the answer is what the answer is for you, whatever works for you. I have a client that she kept saying to me, I just can't journal. I can't find the time to journal. And I said to her, take your journal, put it someplace that you pass by several times during the day. And as you walk by, write one thing down. So there's no specific formula. I suggested one before that I like to use, but I think whatever the person who's journaling can find is good, because we know the research says your well-being will improve if you journal. Most of my clients either are very successful using journaling, or it's just not their thing. And no matter what process I try with them, it doesn't quite work. But I would say that is usually a mindset of, I'm too busy to take the time. And that, I think, is the biggest obstacle to overcome for most people with journaling, is to change their mindset, to think of this more as something they're doing for themselves to improve their overall well-being. And if somebody doesn't make that discovery, then journaling might not be for them.